Hey everyone, so I am using our latest Mary Kay Hydrogel Eye Patches. As you all know, it's very moisturizing. It helps to reduce fine lines. Okay, if you have a lot of fine lines, right, it means on your face, it means you have dehydrated skin. So I am using this all over my face, about 10 minutes already, I think. Yeah, so I really love this one. It really helps to hydrate my face. Okay, so when it dries up, right, you can see it's not much liquid. So I put for about 10 minutes already. So you can actually do, I'm going to teach you today how to do Gua Sha techniques for your face. Okay, either you put the gel first, hydrogel first like me, or you can do it before, or you can do it after. You do your Gua Sha first, then you put your hydrogel later, yeah. So I'm already done. I think I already put for about 10 minutes, I guess. Okay. So it's really very effective. You can put it for about half an hour if you want, or you can put for about 10 minutes. So earlier on, I actually did Gua Sha on my Facebook video. So I couldn't save that video. I don't know why. So I'm going to do it on YouTube right now. So I am using this hydrogel eye patches on all my fine lines. Okay, actually it's more of a wrinkle already, but you know, I don't care. But I don't have wrinkle actually. I only have deep wrinkle here. But after I did the Gua Sha, right? Gua Sha technique is like a detox your lymph nodes techniques that we Chinese Asians, right, like to use, so that it helps to drain out excess water retention and then excess water. Okay, or you have puffiness on your face, you can do the Gua Sha techniques to drain out. It helps to detox and drain out those water retention and toxins on your face. Normally, right, I will do it like twice a week, but if you want to do it every day, it's up to you really. Yeah, but it really helps in terms of like promote circulation on your face, and you must either use a serum or you can use facial oil if you want to. So today, right, I'm going to use my Timewise Repair Lifting Serum. This one is very good if you are in your late 20s, you're in your 30s, you're in your early 40s. I recommend that you use this one. It helps to do firming, V-face shape, and also it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm actually done with the eye patches, I think. Okay, so the eye patches are actually is very it's very moisturizing. I put it in the fridge because in Singapore, right, it's very hot, so you can actually see the gel. See the liquid? It's so moisturizing. Okay, I really love this one. It has a very refreshing smell as well. Yeah, so so you can put it on your eyes, on your here, and on your forehead, especially if you have a lot of fine lines on your forehead, right? But for us, right, I mean, I'm already past 40, so normally I tend to have a lot of deep lines, which is wrinkle. So you know, it's always early anti-aging prevention is better than cure, right? So I like to do everything before I reach 50 years old in 7 years time. Okay, so I'm already done. So I'm going to show you how to do your Gua Sha. You can do it before this or after this, up to you. Okay, so normally when you do your Gua Sha, right, don't do masks after that. Okay, just leave it. So what I do is I will leave it on like that. Okay, and then I will use my lifting serum. Okay, you can put whole face. So when you do your Gua Sha, okay, I have a video that went viral which is all about neck. So if you want to know how to protect your neck, how to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles on your neck, right, you can go to my next video. I think I'll put it onto this video. Okay, so basically, right, how you do the Gua Sha, you can use a Gua Sha ban, or in Chinese we call it this. This is made of buffalo horn. Yeah, so this is a gift from my friend. He's a therapist as well, so he gave me this as a gift. So I'm going to teach you how to use this one. If you are on a budget, right, you can use this one. If you have no budget, I recommend that you can use our Mary Kay facial lifting device. Okay, this one actually comes with a cleansing brush, so you can use it as a cleansing. You cleanse your face using this one. It's really very clean. It's very good for those who put on makeup every day, so you can use this one to cleanse your face, okay, with the cleanser. Okay, for me, I'm using this one as a lifting device today on my face. Alright, and I'm so excited. We're going to come out with a roller. This one is the same as the R brand, the high-end R brand, but you can see I got this as a gift from Mary Kay. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use this one later. So I'm going to teach you how to do the if you're on a budget, as I mentioned earlier, you can go and get this one from, try not to get those plastic ones. It doesn't really work. The horn one works better. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to reduce water retention, plus smooth out firm up the wrinkles, soften the smile lines, and also smooth the wrinkles here. So this is how you do it. You can do it like 5 to 10 times, but please make sure that you do it gentle stroke, because if you're doing a very heavy stroke, right, and you have a lot of redness and bruises, right, that means you're doing it wrongly. Okay, so try not to do it too harsh. Must be light stroke. Okay, so and then nose, right, you can for the face, right, I would recommend that you go to the much more curvy area. Just move up like this. Okay, so first thing first, you do it like this. Okay, 5 to 10 times. You can use this one like this, upwards motion, upwards motion, upwards motion. Then for the nose, like this. Okay, then for if you're using our lifting serum device, just move up like this, 5 to 10 times. You don't have to press too hard, let the device work by itself. The Koreans and the Japanese, right, always tell us to hit 1200 times, right, onto our face using serum so that it absorbs better. So guess what, this lifting device help to hit 1200 times on your, to get the serum to absorb into your face even better. Yeah, so I really love this one. So if you're very lazy, right, and you don't have any much budget, actually this is not very expensive, it's about $100 Sing. Okay, so just like that. Ta-da! So if you have migraine, right, you can even do like this. It helps to massage. And then if you are tired on your eye area, I recommend that we use our Youthfinity eye cream here, this one, right, and then you can put like this, right, and then just massage upwards. Just now I already put already, so just massage about 5 times, 5 times, 5 times. It helps to firm up your eye area. And then if you want to, if your eyes are tired, you can actually use this one as well, to just like that on your eye area, like that on your eye area. This is equivalent to the Osim eye massager. It's cheaper than Osim eye massager. Okay. Oh, it's really very soothing. So if you have very tired eyes, right, you can use this one. So if you have migraine, you can use this one. Yeah. So another thing which I like about is this one. I got a gift from Mary Kay. It's a Mary Kay roller. It's the same. Actually, it's the same expensive brand like the R brand. I don't want to say it too much, but one thing I like about this, it grabs so that it prevents your double chin. So just move upwards, everything upwards. Okay, because of the gravity, we need to prevent the gravity from pulling down our face, so just move everything upwards. So this is how you use your Gua Sha techniques. But please remember, no heavy strokes, light strokes all the way, so that it's just to promote circulation and to drain out the toxins and water retention. That's it. So I hope that you like this video. Please comment on my videos and please follow me on all social media. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!